Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal to Linktree. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Linktree website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your admin dashboard. Look for the Links tab, usually located on the left-hand side or at the top of the page. Click on this tab to access your link management area. This is where you'll begin adding your new PayPal payment option. Next, you'll need your unique PayPal, Me link. This allows people to send you money directly with just one click. If you don't have one, visit the PayPal, Me website and follow the simple steps to create it. It takes only a couple of minutes. If you already have one, simply copy the full URL. Ensure it's the direct link, not just your PayPal email, for the best user experience. Now head back to your Linktree dashboard. Under the Links section, you'll see an option to add new link or a similar button. Click on it. A new field will appear where you can paste your copied PayPal, Me URL. In the title field, type something clear like "Support me via PayPal" or "Send PayPal payment." This helps your audience understand the link's purpose immediately. Finally, after adding your PayPal link and giving it a clear title, make sure to save your changes. Linktree usually saves automatically, but it's always good to double-check for a Save or Publish button. To ensure everything works perfectly, open your Linktree profile in a new browser tab or on your mobile device. Click on your new PayPal link to confirm it directs you to your PayPal, Me page, ready to receive payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.